Hello friends, today's topic is from the anatomy. The topic is the triangle of auscultation. The triangle of auscultation is a triangular space on the back side of the body near the scapula. It is a very small space and the triangle of the space is found near the inferior angle of the scapula. So firstly we will study about the different boundaries of the triangle of auscultation. Triangle of auscultation, the medial boundary of the triangle of auscultation is formed by the lateral border of the trapezius muscle, and this is the inferior boundary of the triangle of auscultation. The inferior boundary of triangle of auscultation is formed by the upper border of the latissimus dorsi muscle, and this is the lateral boundary of triangle of auscultation. The lateral boundary of the triangle of auscultation is formed by the medial border of the scapula. So a triangular space formed, this is called the triangle of auscultation. The floor of the triangle of auscultation is formed by the rhomboideus major muscle. Once more time we will study about the boundaries of triangle of auscultation. In lateral side means laterally medial border of the scapula, medially lateral border of the trapezius is formed, inferiorly latissimus dorsi is upper border. The upper border of the latissimus dorsi is found on the inferiorly of the triangle of auscultation, and the floor is formed by the rhomboideus major muscle. So what is the clinical aspects of triangle of auscultation? Triangle of auscultation is a thin musculature. So sound of respiration clearly can be heard from this area. On the triangle of auscultation, there is a thin musculature, so sound of respiration clearly heard by the stethoscope from this area. So this is very important space to study the sound of the respiration. So that was briefly about the triangle of auscultation. Thank you.